On this video, we're going to take a look at this giant mat that captures litter as your pets are walking over it. If you're a pet owner, this is a must-have.
Alright, so we're in a bathroom for our cats, and we got two stainless steel big litter boxes. The trouble is we've gone through two different types of pads, and we're kind of set on a towel right now. So we've been looking for a proper mat that can cover all this space so we don't track dirt all the way out like it's everywhere. We finally found the mat that everybody's raving about, and this is the box that it comes in. So you do not want a mat that's supposed to be made of PVC rolled up in a ball. And Amazon delivered. Essentially, what this does is there's holes, and then when the cat walks through this, it just falls in. And then right here, this opens, so you can very easily just dump this back in the litter box. Pretty easy solution when you think about it. This is the largest mat that we have found on Amazon, 47 inches by about 30 inches. Our cats are never impressed. Right, Krisky? Yeah, but we love them. All right, so let's go put this in and see how it fits. It's very, very light compared to some of the other mats, but it's more about functionality than the thickness of the rubber. In our case, because look at that, right? We got dirt there too. We're gonna see if we can do it the other way, which would be this way. Now we are also using dust control litter as well. So if you are using not dust control, be prepared to have a lot of dust. Our second litter box. And you can see that we have a little bit of spillage on each of the sides. And hopefully our cats are gonna come out this way. Now if they're not gonna come out this way, we're gonna flip it around this way. But I hope that this should work. So we've been using this mat for about 3 weeks now, and here's the consensus. You're not gonna get rid of all the litter, guaranteed. Like, you're still gonna get somewhat little pieces, see, close to the mat. Again, if this was maybe an extra foot, that would be perfect. Unfortunately, this is the largest mat that we have. I'm gonna show you how much it captured. So again, it's captured quite a lot. I hope you guys can tell. All those little things, yeah, that's all litter. Even poop it captured. Now to get this out, we just lift this up, and then we can take this and we just dump it. It just kind of folds in your hand. Yeah, it's not gonna rip, it's not gonna tear, it's pretty flexible. So the only thing, I mean, it's like night and day, let me tell you, in terms of tracking. So it cuts off on about 85%. I would say it captures the litter. Let's move this and see how much it captured on over here. So you guys can see that there's quite a lot that it captured, because I keep refilling this, of course, right? I keep refilling this with our litter, which is, well, I think we ran out, so we got to get some new dust control litter. But anyways, definitely happy with this, happy to recommend it. It's a little pricey, not gonna lie to you, it's extremely pricey, but we decided to pull the trigger because we got really fed up with cleaning constantly. Now we've kind of we can scale back on the cleaning, so definitely helps. And if you only have one pet, well, then it's even better for you. But anyways, thanks for watching, and hope this helped you make a decision.